connect GitHub repository to Microsoft Sentinel, we need to proceed the same way as with Azure DevOps. Go to Repositories from Microsoft Workspace and add a new connection. Provide a unique name to your connection and authorize, but this time with GitHub. After that, you have to click on Add Repository. If you didn't connect GitHub to Microsoft Sentinel before, you will have to install Azure Sentinel application for GitHub. After that, you can select which repositories will have access to Azure Sentinel application. I will leave it to all repositories and proceed with the install. After that, wait a few seconds before the drop-down menu will change the color from gray to white and you will be able to click on it. Installation process is very fast, and when it's finished, you can select your Microsoft Sentinel repository from the list. Now looking at it, maybe I should have named it differently because I have a lot of Sentinel repositories there. I might change it later. Anyway, let's go back to our deployment. For the branch, we will select main and the content type the same as before. You can just click on all of them. And that's it. Confirm and create your connection. Give it a moment for the connection to create. It won't take too long, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Once it's finished, you will see successful deployment for GitHub connection. Make sure you have it all set up, because in the next segment, we will work with GitHub repository to automatically deploy all the content to Microsoft Sentinel. So stay tuned for that, because that's going to be a lot of fun.